Hi, Father. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. Nandito po kami katapos ng aming caroling and it went well. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year po to you and to Mommy Gladys. God bless po and we miss you and we love you. Take care po.
Hand Father Richard.
Father. Ay, Merry Christmas, Father.
Merry Christmas, Father. See you soon.
Merry Christmas, Father. We miss you.
Merry Christmas po. Parang naiiyak ka. Naiiyak talaga ako. Namimiss ko na. Namimiss na namin kayo.
Hello, Father. Merry Christmas. I miss you.
Oh, yan.
Hi, Father. Good evening. How are you? I'm Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We miss you all.
Hi, Father. Merry Christmas. We miss you.
Kaikot